This is a brand new 2014 BMW 750. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, a power moonroof, heated seats, the M Sport package, a Sport package, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: a steering wheel with memory settings, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, BMW individual composition, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the rain-sensing windshield wipers can turn on automatically if their sensor identifies water on the windshield. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.